All right, Mary, thank you so very much. It's Friday, which means it's time for the DMV Soundcheck. This week, we are featuring Nia Dinero out of VA. She was introduced to the music industry at a young age, and her style is a mixture of hip-hop and pop. Hip-hop and pop, which she calls hip-hop.
I love
Did you
that.
Get that?
Yep, she put that together. Now, her single called Birthday signals a rebirth of creativity in the music industry as a whole, as music artists work hard to navigate through the pandemic. We're going to hear from her first, and then we're going to check out her music video.
Nia, we are so excited to have you on Great Day, Washington. You look fabulous, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's talk about your music for a second. You are coining the hip-hop music genre. What is hip-hop? What do we need to know?
So just growing up, I was always influenced by the pop culture, just popular music in general. And then obviously just my love for, hip hop and, just the edginess of both sounds. I just wanted to merge them together and just be authentic to, the type of music that just embodies what I represent. You know what I mean? Like just taking those two worlds and drawing them together was just, to me, the perfect merge.
Is this something that maybe you learned through your childhood when you were introduced to music? Was it like, oh, this is what I grew up listening to? It shaped who I am.
Most definitely. Growing up, my uncle was actually, he owned his own concert promotion business, and we lived in California. And I just remember at a young age, him taking me, even to his meetings and just twirling around as a little girl in his chair, just watching him just kind of conduct those meetings. He worked with artists like, Brandy and Immature in the beginning of their career. And so I think, even then, that seed for this path and this industry was planted then, and I carried it all the way until now.
Wow. Well, I think what's great is there is so much intertwining of genres now, right? It's not so static and like you're in this box. It's all kind of melding out a little bit. Your song, Birthday. What is this song all about?
So Birthday was created, it's actually a part of my first EP that I dropped coming out of the pandemic. It was actually created out of a pandemic. Like most creatives, just during that time, I was just really trying to figure out who I was and what my next step was and who I was creatively. And once, discovering that, I created this EP called Just For Now, and Birthday really is a celebration of that, of me just stepping into, who I am in confidence, and authentically. And it's a celebratory track. It's one of my favorite tracks. The video was amazing to create, and I hope it, showcases that.
It sounds like you also are working toward many future appearances. You want to be a motivation to others. What are some of the things we'll see you in soon?
Man, I mean, honestly, sky's the limit. Like you said, when it comes to music, like there's no limits. That's really how I'm just looking at my whole career. One of the things we're working on is a visual album. I'm doing a couple shows, definitely more live shows. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit on what I can do and what's next for me.
Yeah, it absolutely is. Well, we're going to take a look at your new song and your new music video. But Nia, best of luck to you. We can't wait to see what happens for you.
Thank you very much.
Walk in feeling like a millie, go like Billy, flow so illy. Shopping with my lawyer cause I'm about to sign a dilly. Chasing waterfalls behind trying to get chilly. Owning all my masters, I don't need a master. Bachelor's in science, now I'm trying to get my masters. Looking for a king, someone I can do the dash with. I might call him daddy, I ain't trying to be a bastard. I love this shit, but it's hard to whole lot of broke acting like they made. Whole lot of curtains don't match a Drake. Trying to make sense, I'm just trying to make figures. Haters talking down, yeah, I hear the whispers. Finally up now, so I can't move risky. Sounding like they dissing, yeah, whole lot of hissing. Before the Rona, I was good at keeping distance. February 3rd, I was in California, going to meetings with my uncle up in Hollywood. A young girl, seeing him get it, and they all can notice. Then I got older, seats were planted down, hand with water good. Money motivated, but you knew already. Just got my advance, yeah, I blew. I just made it back off an asset. Flip the money like a dirty mattress. Give me lit, feel like it's my birthday. Brand new fit, feel like it's my birthday. New bag, got me running out of purse space. Cake, feel like it's my birthday. Give me lit, feel like it's my birthday. brand new fit, feel like it's my birthday. New bag, got me running out of purse space. Cake, 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 feel like it's my birthday. Celebrating life, better book me now before I elevate the price.
All right, if you are a member of a band, group, or solo artist from the DMV and you are interested in being featured on our show, follow us on Instagram at DMV Soundcheck 9.
And send us a message with your work, or you can email dmvsoundcheck@wusa9.com. Please be sure to include a link to your music video.